we're here at Texas Winter Nationals. We've been flying all day. It's a bit chillier than we expected. Vaughn and Neil both last night promised.
So the deal is, if Houston got top 3 in sport class, then me and Neil gonna slide down to the pool on that slider.
All right, so
a bet's a bet.
A bet's a bet.
I didn't bring a bathing suit.
Yeah, clean dream. It's a Christmas dream. It's a Christmas dream. Or it's a
opening the door?
Christmas dream. You know what it is?
Texas Winter Nationals is the annual race thrown at the Tough RC Field, Temple, Texas, by Lucas of SkyReady RC. For many of the top racers in the South, this is a must-attend event, and the prize purse has grown big enough to attract some of the top racers around the country. This year, we get to see Screecher and Leviathan face off against Texas Fast pilots Joe Cool, J-Box, Lamone, and Grower to see if they can steal away some of that Texas glory. If not, they can always sample some of that delicious Texas barbecue while they're in town.
I got first in practice. Does it count? Can we go home now?
First and second place right here. Where did you come from? Are you the farthest? It's either you or this guy.
I think Screecher's farther.
It's like, I'm leading into the cold.
Man, I need to get this for my video.
What is that? He just ate a banana. Like that. Come on, guy. What are we doing?
Where did you come from, Screecher?
Cleveland, Ohio.
Cleveland. Dang, is there a big scene there?
It's getting there. There's been a big drone racing scene for the past 5 years, but it's growing more now.
He's gonna be here for Cam J-Box on
Yes, sir.
Monday.
J-Box? What?
Yeah.
So are y'all gonna keep track of who's winning and losing here?
No.
No,
It's just for funsies?
just for funsies.
You're not even gonna call laps?
Dude, this is literally the one race in 4 years I've choked it. 4 different TQs. Right? This year I can't even TQ it. I got old boy Levi
Yeah.
just hunting right now.
Just don't crash.
Yeah, just be better.
Be better. Get more fast.
Channel in your inner MCK and be better.
Who's got the most big race experience this year? It's probably either Screecher or Levi.
Yeah, it's hard for me to travel with school.
I have like 6.
See?
I wish. Dude, I wish I could do that.
He was like, you're still like a noob, basically.
Honestly, no, like, I still get nervous at champs. Like, and he's like, bro, I'm chilling. Like,
Dude.
This is don't crash. That's what this is.
Uh,
Yeah.
Hey, but that's what it takes. You can't be afraid to do that. Was that part of the strategy, though? Because none of us knew you were coming, and then, like, around midnight last night, all of a sudden, like, we see one extra account on the attendee list, and we're like, what the heck?
yeah, I mean, it was part of it. We flew in last night.
Oh, damn, look at this plane.
Mm-hmm.
So if we win, it's the radio?
What?
What's the secret ingredient?
Good rest.
Good rest.
No, I did not.
We're gonna
Unfortunately.
A lot of these guys didn't either, so you'll be on the level playing field.
2 o'clock last night, so you're good. You're good.
Always.
He's
I've
gotta
done it
get
at
the extra potassium, guys.
yeah. I've done this at Mayhem, multi-GP champs 21 and 22.
Is this
All right.
Is this a real
Signups
thing?
are completed.
Yeah.
Let's do a quick pilots
Real.
meeting
Or
in
this
front
is
of
just a
the
Daniel thing?
Hobby Wing and
a
Tattoo
real
and Run
thing.
Cam banners. Quick
That's how you go
pilots
fast.
meeting and then
Don't miss your kid, guys. Don't miss your kid.
I missed 2 fucking heats.
Did you? 2?
Well, I missed one because I put my props on wrong, and then that one I just stood here and talked to your ugly ass there. Like,
So now I am guilty.
So
Look
that's
at that.
Elon's fault.
yeah.
Look, so we were talking 3 of us, but he's blaming me, not Cole.
Yeah, right. So technically, we are still flying over concrete. It's just it's
rough out here. The falls ain't soft. Like right underneath the dirt is rock.
Oh. So there it is, folks. Yeah. Secret of Temple. If you haven't driven a stake in the ground, you don't know what's underneath the ground.
That's true.
Click the link.
The secret is like don't drink 5 beers, then like don't finish it with the wine, and then don't drink beer again. Like that's just don't do that. It's a Christmas dream.
Disqualified.
Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, Hiroki. What was more difficult to learn how to fly? Racing quads or fighter jets?
Definitely racing quad.
Really?
Honestly.
It's more difficult.
In jet, you're not gonna crash. You're gonna intentionally try to crash, otherwise you're not gonna crash, right?
Okay, so it's like more autonomous or just like it's
you don't
easier?
fly the low closer to objective.
Oh, okay, so you just have so much space.
Yeah. But in racing quads, I mean, you don't want to crash, but you crash. Definitely, it's harder to fly racing.
Really?
Screecher Drone.
Screecher down with the win.
Nice.
Screecher, Levi, J-Box, and Lamone are putting in some very fast times in the brackets going into finals. However, Levi ends up Ironing Man everyone into oblivion, borrowing Lamone's jacket as it was much colder than anticipated in Texas in December. California native needed a little extra warmth to keep those flying fingers warmed up.
We have one more round. Spot. That's a race, guys.
Levi. Bro,
He's got the pace. So you gotta go.
They're like, yeah, this is all part of the plan, guys. I'm 10 steps ahead right now.
I mean, I warmed up a bit.
Thanks
to Limone's jacket. Kind of saved me, I'll be honest.
If he wins, it's because of my jacket. Years of practice doesn't count, you know, it's just the jacket. Look at that.
I'm just saying, as many times as I flow with him, he never let me borrow his jacket.
You're too slow for my jacket.
We're going racing on the sound of the tone. Beautiful start once again. All 6 getting through clean. Leviathan, your leader, coming across right now.
14-6.
14-6. J-Box 16-3 in the 2 spot.
20.7.
Oh, midair through the back gate there. That's going to change it up. Second place.
19.8.
Going to be NM Grower.
Nice. Let's go, Let's go, buddy.
That's good.
So that's a race.
That's what.
2 pilots.
Yeah.
Now in J-Box.
The man.
I think you put like 319 in a row.
Oh, I'm proud of you, dude.
All right, third place, Daylight FPV. Right here. Second place, Mr. J-Box, 150.
I finally did it.
And sweeping the class, getting the TQ and the win, Mr. Leviathan. Congratulations, gentlemen.
Another race, another win. How does it feel,
Another
man?
race. Feels great. Yeah, I came out for to Texas just for this, and was able to take home the win.
Man, beating the Texas crew on their home ground.
I know.
What does that feel
must
like?
be pretty embarrassing. I went through a few pranks. I've done this before where I just sign up and just let them think I'm coming.
Nice job, J-Box.
Thank
Finally
you.
pulled it in.
Dude, I did. Not first, but hey,
Hey,
still improvement.
dude,
Still improvement.
podiums.
Texas first.
It's so fun. I'm really cold, so I'm going really slow.
So we got King James in third. Second place, we have Mr. Johnny 5, $150. And we got first place, Mr. Legendary Andy, $250.
Okay, since we got the All Houston podium,
So do third first.
Yvonne and
Third
Neil
place
have to
first?
jump in the pool at the Airbnb. With that on the line, everybody flew faster, I think.
Yeah, I didn't. I wasn't gonna try until I heard about that. I was like, man, I gotta.
Yeah, same. I started pushing it when I heard that.
I was a little worried about jumping into nearly freezing cold pool waters, but Lamone was having none of it, as loosely translated for him, word is bond.
I'm gonna finish this glue wine and then I'm gonna jump in.
Dude, I don't know, man. I don't want y'all to get sick.
Well, I said so. So, you know, I wish if someone else says something similar, he would do that too, you know, whatever he says, you know.
The lifeguard. I'll be the lifeguard. I am not certified. All right, so
A bet's a bet.
a bet's a bet. These boys gonna make it.
Where are you jumping in at?
Here we go, folks.
I said my panties are red.
Like he's totally gonna like straight. Hey, I got a question. Are those fruited balloons?
Seth, what?
Those fruited balloons?
I don't know.
What are those? Hit it. 3, 1, go. Everybody's gonna pass out. Oh man, awesome. Awesome. That's alright. That's called sensei. Yeah. Those are real senseis right there.
That's a bet.
Wow, a bet's a bet.
It's
yeah,
warm
I
now.
can't believe you done it.
I
Wow.
hope you enjoyed yourselves. Hope to see you back next year.
I'm 18 with a bullet. Got my finger on the trigger. I'm gonna pull it. I'm picked to click now. gun. So hold it right there, little girl. We gonna have
Anyone found a hand warmer on the ground? That's mine. Thank you. Like hand warmer on the ground? That's mine.
Is it a 533?
No, it's a different one.
Oh.
It's cheap one, but it's still, yeah. I left it charging somewhere, but...
I only have this one.